the same time is working hard. Someone is getting smarter and someone is winning.
4C of the Arizona Residential Real Estate Purchase Contract has to do with foreign sellers. And FIRPTA is applicable if the seller is a foreign person and the seller agrees to complete, sign, and deliver to the escrow company a certificate indicating whether seller is a foreign person. FIRPTA requires a foreign seller may have federal income taxes up to 15% of the purchase price withheld unless an exception applies. Seller is responsible for obtaining independent legal and tax advice. So on FIRPTA, I just also want to show you this, which is something I got off AAR that has to do with FIRPTA. As you can see, unless an exception applies when the seller is a foreign person, such as non-resident alien, the buyer must withhold 15% of the amount realized from the sale, which is usually the gross purchase price pursuant to FIRPTA. It says that ordinarily the funds are deposited with the escrow company and then just paid directly to the IRS. And the buyer should be aware that if they don't comply with FIRPTA, it could become their own liability. So that's kind of scary. There are exceptions though. As you'll see down here, one of the more common exceptions is if the sale is no more than $300,000 and the buyer or a member of the buyer's family intends to reside in the home for at least half of the time in the next 2 years following the sale, then they could be exempt. So just keep in mind that we shouldn't be giving out legal advice or tax advice to our clients. However, that is a very common exception to FIRPTA.